Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'll be quickly telling you the top 5 reasons why the Ulefone Power 18T is worth buying. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications, give this video a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's dive into it. These are the top reasons why I think the Ulefone Power 18T is worth buying. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.